how to access an extra $50 to spend on Cash App, even when your balance is at zero. Cash App is a versatile banking and investing app where you can hold a cash balance, manage savings, invest in bitcoins and stocks, and receive paychecks and send payments. It also offers discount through its Cash App card. Now, Cash App has introduced a new feature called Overdraft coverage, which allows you to get an additional $50 if you are out of funds. If you haven't activated this feature, you'll see an option to turn it on right below your cash balance by typing on "Turn on free overdraft coverage." To qualify for overdraft coverage, Cash App requires that you have to deposit at least $300 in paychecks each month. Once activated, this feature lets you spend $50 over your balance, which will automatically be deducted from your next paycheck. After enabling overdraft coverage, just tap "Turn on." To finalize this setup, if you want to revisit the feature later, you can find it under your cash balance by selecting overdraft coverage. And that's it for this video on how you can get $50 extra free on Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.